Hi guys, this is Raf and welcome back, and today we'll be unboxing this Galaxy Buds Live, and I heard a lot of good things about it, especially its features like it's up to 6 to 21 hours of playtime, and it has also a active noise cancellation, which is a good thing too as well. So it has also like this bean shape, and I'm curious about this type of earbuds as well for its design. So let's try to unbox this and remove some labels here. Alright, let's unbox this Galaxy Buds Live. So what I got here is this white variant color, which looks very clean. And let's get this charging case here and remove this plastic. And as you can see, this is very glossy charging case here by Samsung. So it is powered by AKG, and here is the buds itself. So the bean shape, and I'm very curious about this design here, and I wanted to check here if it's really feel comfortable here on my ear, especially because it's not the unusual or not the usual design like the earpods itself, and it's very small actually and very lightweight for the case and the buds itself. So let's try to check here some other things in the box. So I think this is the charging cable, what we've got here, and this is a USB Type C charger cable. So which is great since everything should be in USB Type C already. Alright. Also in the box included will be two sets of wingtip, and I'm showing you one of the set here for the wingtip, which is actually great, especially if to make your ears comfortable with these earbuds. And other than those things, that is much pretty it. And lastly, what we got here would be the paperworks, and let's open this up. And mostly it will just contain your like the user manual, the warranty card details, so definitely you need to keep it just in case you have any issues with your device. Once we unbox everything, we will try to pair it on my Android phone. So first we need to download the Galaxy Wearable app, which we can download in Play Store here, and then you just need to click allow everything here for all of the permissions so that we can pair this to our Samsung Galaxy Bud. It will try to scan it, and it will just show there the device, and you just need to click continue, then press pair so that this bud will be able to pair on our Android phone. Oh, it will also show you to install a Galaxy Buds Live plugin app. So let's try to install it as well. Alright, let's just wait it, and there we are able to successfully download it. So congratulations for your new Buds Live. So just click agree on and allow all of the permissions here for this new app that we download, the plugin app, and also just allow for the notification access. So this is for the features here, like for reading the notifications using your Galaxy Buds, and there it will show you how to wear it. So it's finalizing right now, and we're all set here, and this is the UI here, or the app itself. So you can see here all the instructions here on how to wear it, on how to use the tap or the touch controls, and also the color of the battery levels, and some other features here as well. On the main screen you can also see the activation for the noise cancellation. You can turn it on, turn it off, some 6 options for equalizer, and some other features that you can take advantage of. And definitely I will try to review it more and test this Samsung Galaxy Buds Live to check here if it's really a good wireless buds itself as well. So I'm thinking this could be an Earbuds replacement, although we will definitely check it on the next video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.